Hello, in front of me I've got Skate. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage in-game store. In the beginning, let's go to menu and next go to shop. Right here you can buy stuff for paid currency like Founders Pack, gear. You can find bundles, but at the end of the page you can find boxes. Boxes can be bought by in-game currency. You can see the in-game currency in the top right corner of the screen. This is the currency marked with the orange badge. You can gain the currency by finishing missions and challenges. At the bottom of the list, you can buy the in-game currency for real world money. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.